You are managing remote endpoints running either Windows 11 or Ubuntu 22.04, utilizing the pre-installed Azure VPN Client. Your Azure infrastructure includes an Azure VPN gateway, known as VNet GW1. While your Windows 11 systems successfully connect to VNet GW1 using point-to-site VPNs authenticated via Microsoft Entra ID, the Ubuntu systems are currently unable to establish these connections. You are tasked with configuring the environment to enable these Ubuntu devices to connect to VNet GW1 while ensuring low administrative overhead and high security. Please match the required configurations to the target components from the following list. Option A, the audience GUID. Option B, the authentication type. Option C, the issuer URL. Option D, the Azure VPN client on the Ubuntu Linux devices only. Option E, the Azure VPN client on the Windows 11 devices only. Option F, the Azure VPN client on the Windows 11 and Ubuntu Linux devices. In my view, the correct configuration matches are as follows. VNet GW1 requires the authentication type, and the user's devices require the audience GUID. To support point-to-site VPN connections for Linux users with Microsoft Entra ID authentication, the Azure VPN gateway must be specifically configured to use the OpenVPN tunnel type, which is the necessary protocol for these clients. Therefore, the gateway configuration must explicitly define the authentication type for these incoming connections. For the client side, users must import an OpenVPN profile that contains the essential identity provider information to facilitate the Entra ID authentication process. This profile specifically requires the audience GUID to properly identify the application during the authentication handshake. While the issuer URL is also involved, the audience GUID is a critical parameter for establishing the secure trust relationship on the client side, ensuring that Ubuntu devices can connect seamlessly.